Claire was... What is it, Claire?
Did you think Santa got you any presents?
Hey, Claire. Claire's found one.
Claire found a present from Santa. Wow. What is it, Claire? Wow, wow, wow. Let me get your nosy. Are you going to get on your rocking horse? Is that a rocking horse for Claire? What's that, Claire? Who, Kaylin does? What is it? Can you get on your rocking horse?
Girls, wow.
Cool.
Claire seems happy.
I thought I heard some baggies going down when I was sleeping.
You heard what?
I thought I heard presents coming on the tree.